Hello YouTube. So I'm out in Oregon just driving on some road, who knows where it's at. I don't even get cell phone service out here. It is McKenzie Highway 126. It's beautiful and it just rained. It's still raining. There's a waterfall. I'm gonna put up a little bit of a video of that. But there was this road I just passed and it looked so scary, especially when it's raining. So I turned around. See if I can get a little bit of that. Whoa. Flip my car into neutral. I hate these auto shut-off cars. You gotta flip them so many. I drive a Malibu and you gotta put it down to low to shut off the auto stop feature. But then it's in manual mode. You gotta remember to shift. Sorry about that crack in my window. If I get enough subscribers, maybe I could pay to fix it. But look how scary this road is right here. Here, I'm gonna take it. Hopefully I'm not taking it the wrong way. Look at this. Woo! Straight down looking. I think that's a boat ramp. I'll have to read the signs here. Hopefully nobody comes down that side. That was like straight down. You'd need four-wheel drive to do that. Yeah, let's get out and take a look. Caution, ramp drop off at end. Don't even look like a drop off or a boat ramp. Wow. Yeah, that's what I drive. Behind a camper. If you followed me enough, you've seen that. Man, that is like straight up. Rob, look at the moss on the tree. So cool. So this is a boat ramp. And normally boat ramps go into the water. And this one just ends at the water. Sounds like a waterfall down there. If you want to see more of this, I'm gonna make a just a nature kind of video, just sitting here. Good thing I didn't bring the motorhome down here.